Hello students, in this video lesson we will study about the mode of transmission, symptoms, prevention and control of two more viral diseases that are rabies and polio. Now rabies, which is also known as hydrophobia, is a 100% fatal disease. 100% fatal means if someone catches this disease, he will not be able to survive it and he will die. It is caused by a rabies virus called Lassa virus. This virus occurs in the saliva of infected animals, or you can say the rabid animals, and the bite of the rabid dog or some other rabid mammal such as monkeys, cats or rabbits may cause rabies. This virus induces biting behavior in its victim. Incubation period is commonly 1 to 3 months. Virus of rabies destroys the brain and the spinal cord cells. Now the mode of transmission, as we have already discussed, rabies virus enters the human body with the saliva of an infected or the rabid animal, generally by the bite of a dog or a cat or a monkey, etc. Now its symptoms. It is characterized by high fever, severe headache and painful contractions of the muscles of throat and chest. The patient feels restless, aggressive and a choking feeling. He finds it difficult to even take the liquid food due to choked throat. Patient develops the fear of water. Therefore, this disease is also known as hydrophobia. As this virus also damages brain and spinal cord cells, it causes paralysis and a very painful death. Let us see how this disease can be prevented. Now the first step is compulsory immunization of dogs and cats. Pet dogs and cats should be vaccinated with anti-rabies vaccine. The pet and stray dogs should be watched for 10 days after it has bitten someone to make sure that it does not have rabies. Now how will we know about it? See children, a rabid animal shows excessive salivation and tries to seek isolation after bite. Rabid animals should be immediately killed. If you have been bitten up by the dog or any other rabid animal, wash the wound with a carbolic soap and clean water immediately after the bite. After cleaning, apply some antiseptic cream on the wound and consult your doctor for anti-rabies vaccine without any further delay. In this way, it will be treated by Pasteur's treatment, in which 14 vaccine injections are given, one on each day. Nowadays, there are no 14 injections but 5 anti-rabies vaccine which are prescribed at an interval of the 0th, 3rd, 7th, 14th and 30th day of the dog bite. Now how can we control the disease? See, as I have told you earlier also, there is no treatment for rabies up till now. It is a 100% fatal disease. Let us now study about polio, which is also known as poliomyelitis. Now, polio is a viral disease caused by an enterovirus or poliovirus. It generally attacks children and leads to paralysis. It may attack adults as well. Now, its mode of transmission. The human infection is direct or oral through contaminated water or milk. Symptoms. It begins with a chilliness, headache and body pain, followed by high fever. Later on, it leads to paralysis of limbs and face. Now, how can it be prevented? See, the patient should be isolated and a proper notification of the case should be given to the medical officer of the area. The human excreta should be disposed of properly as the polio virus is found in these. Proper cleanliness should be maintained and polio drops should be given to the children. Let us study about the Pulse Polio program. The Government of India is running a Pulse Polio program at national level. Aim of this program is to immunize every children up to the age of 5 years against poliovirus. Oral polio vaccine is given orally for this purpose. It is the duty of every parent to take their child to polio booth for getting the doses of polio vaccine. This will help to achieve the complete eradication of this disease from our country. Now you all must know, India was declared polio free by the World Health Organization, that is WHO, on 27th March 2014. Since no more cases of wild polio were reported in for 5 years. So children, this was all about rabies and polio. In the next video lesson, we will study about one more viral disease, that is AIDS, which stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome.